So for today, no, it just proves na yes, may mga bagay pa rin na pwedeng i-improve sa system. And one example is yung ating transportation. So it's a good step forward towards progress. Sa panahon ngayon, no, progress doesn't always come with fireworks. Minsan, progress is as simple as a faster line or a safer ride or a convenient payment process. Anything na magiging less hassle sa araw mo. Minsan, progress is as simple as a single tap. So whether you're Team Card or Team GCash or Team NFC, remember that public transportation should serve everyone. And when tech meets, empathy, that's where the real upgrade happens.